Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see about two important Apple system software updates. iOS 16.5.1c update is released for iPhone and iPads, and iOS 17 public beta also available if you want to participate in the public beta testing program and experience the iOS 17 features in advance. But before installing, do watch the second half of the video, if you're planning to install the iOS 17 public beta version and then decide to install it in your iPhone or iPad. When it comes to the iOS 16.5.1c update, just like last week, as we said in our 16.5.1a update video, Apple have released it as expected within a couple of days since the release of 16.5.1, where they had to pull it back due to some Safari related security warnings when people try to visit some websites. As expected, Apple have fixed the major security problem that they have mentioned in the 16.5.1a release notes, and they also fixed the Safari security warning problem that caused with the previous 5.1a update. From the Apple security updates document, we can see Apple also released iPadOS 16.5.1c update and macOS 13.4.1c update with the same security fixes. This is a minor update and it won't cause any problem to your iPhone. It actually brings a security fix to your iPhone. So if you're already using 16 series of iOS or iPadOS, then you're totally good to update to the 16.5.1c version. And for my iPhone 14 Plus, it came around like 2.7 MB. It is a very minor update. And if you have automatic updates for the security patches already turned on in your system settings, general software update and automatic update section, then the update must have done automatically. When it comes to the macOS, it is very important to update your MacBooks and Mac Mini or any other Mac computer that you have that is compatible and running the latest version to receive this high critical security risk, where they have mentioned that this bug could be actively exploited by hackers, where simply by visiting website it is possible for hackers to run some arbitrary codes or malicious codes on your computer or in iPhone and iPad. So that sort of serious security problem have been fixed with the 16.5.1c. So if you haven't updated automatically, then do it right away. Next important update that Apple have released this week is iOS 17 public beta is now available. Navigate to settings, general software update, and inside you will see, after a small refresh, the beta updates section. There you can see iOS 17 public beta. Previously it was showing iOS 17 developer beta only and other iOS 16 public beta and developer beta options. But right now you will be seeing iOS 17 public beta also in the list. So if you want to participate and enroll your device to the public beta program to receive the software update, as you can see, simply tap on it to select it, and when you navigate back to the software update page, you will see the iOS 17 beta readily available, which for me in the iPhone 14 Plus it comes around 6.25 GB. And my suggestion is not to install the beta version, which is very early and it has plenty of bugs. Some people are experiencing minor apps crashes with third-party applications, and the most important bug that many have reported is their system storage is keep on increasing, and even the troubleshooting step that I have suggested in our channel to clear the system storage data is not helping in this case. So it is a beta software and we cannot fix certain bugs by following the stable release troubleshooting steps. So my suggestion is to not to install it and wait till the end of September when Apple officially releases the iOS 17. If you want to experience the features, then you may try it in your secondary device like in iPad, or if you have second iPhone which is compatible with the iOS 17, then you may give it a try and see for yourself. And one more additional tip is always keep backup of your important data. Either you may use the iCloud built-in backup system, or you can use Google Drive, Google Photos, and any other third-party cloud storage option or local backup options, whichever is convenient to you. Thank you so much for watching. For more useful tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.